Munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua naruthite mucemanio na kiama mambondi ya majani ma KTDA atongoretwe ni mukaririgiti wao David Muni Ichoho na murekithia munene Wilson Muthaura kuona buria magaukiria murimi umunini wa majani na kuenga maburuka ma majani mamethirite makibinyiria murimi wa kimera giki nkuruki na ugite thirikari ya William Ruto iri tayari kwithirwa igiukiriria murimi uyu na nkinyagia kugwatanira na KTDA.
Happy New Year. Karibuni sana. Please be seated.
KIRI karo kira kiruthikirite obisini ya Harambee Annex mucie wa Nairobi gatagati ka munini wa rais na anene mambundi ya KTDA Gachagua augite matinogoka mwankariria magaukiria urimi wa majani kenda murimi ona baita yamo.
We must look at mechanisms how to benefit the farmer. How does the strength of KTDA to bring all the tea together? How do we leverage on that to get a good price for the tea farmer? How do we look around the issues in Mombasa at the tea auction, where there is collusion between the various players to the disadvantage of the farm?
Ikaroni giki kiria gicitwe ni mukaririgiti wa mbondi inu ya KTDA David Muni Ichoho, abisa munene Wilson Muthaura na mwandiki munene wa mauntu makanju ya maminista Julius Koril, munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua augite no mwanka macokanirie rwangiruru na meberie amaramari maria mari kunikenda murimi ethirwa akigunika. Rukina ugite atira thina na utongoria wa KTDA.
And we are concerned about the capture of the industry, of the subsector, by various forces to the disadvantage of the farmer. You heard the president yesterday clearly give instructions to do whatever it takes to make sure that we free this industry and the coffee subsector and the tea subsector from capture by the various forces.
Gachagua no nenkeretwe wira wa gucokaniria urimi uyu wa majani, kaua na iria ni rais William Ruto baria muthenya wa igoro Ruto aramenerie maria akugani wa kwenda kumuruithania na munini uyu wawe.
President William Ruto and his government committed to sort out the various challenges in the tea sector among many other subsectors in our economy, and he has tasked me with the responsibility of initiating discussions and spearheading reforms in the agricultural sector, in trade, in all manners, in all sectors, with the expected return of putting money in people's pockets and most of our farmers.
Hiyo kazi ya kupanga na kufukuza wakora na matapeli na brokers katika hiyo kona, huyu deputy president ataongoza. Na nimempatia hiyo kazi kwa sababu najua anaweza. Na kwa sababu mimi najua roho yake anapenda watu wadogo. Na atashughulika hiyo kazi ifanyike. Naona kuna watu wengine wanaendesha propaganda ati nimempatia hiyo kazi ati ndio yeye, ati ni mtego, ati ndio yeye aanguke. Kwani huyu deputy president akianguka mimi nitakuwa nasimama?
Akiaria nyuma ya gikaro na anene mamu ma KTDA Gachagua ariuga nimeumitie buria kumbikana gucokaniria urimi wa majani baria nkinya menda mete maguri mamboreo kuona murimi na kuongera baite ya urimi uyu wawe.
You have seen us put money for the subsidy program for fertilizer, trying to lessen the burden of the tea farmer, to enable them have a good yield without having too much input from themselves.
Gachagua ariuga urungamiri wa KTDA riu ni urungami na makathi na mbere kurutanira wira na mbondi iria iriku na mauria ngwataniro na thirikari ni kenda kubuithia rwangiruru.
I told the chairman we are willing to work with you and we have nothing against you. We must respect institutions and we must respect elected people.
Munini uyu wa rais akithie na mbere
Kwaraniria na mbondi ino nekirite wirani wa gutuma kiama ya antu anini iria igatetheria kureta mogaruruku urimini wa majani.
And we have a responsibility to assist them.
Akirikiria Gachagua nekirite wirani wa kuraithiria mamwe mawatho maria mekiritwo ni thirikari nthiru maria akuga ni mabinyiritie murimi wa majani banene.
We also want to intervene with the National Assembly for streamlining the various laws so that the laws that we have are beneficial to the farmer. I want from the onset to declare that the President and I have no interest in this sector at all. We are so free. We are not captured by